Hi everybody, my name is Steve Sullivan. Just wanted to post a quick video about what you need to know to build a homemade wind turbine, to show everyone how easy it is to do, and to encourage you to do it yourself, to save on your power bill, and also to save the environment. If you want to save money on your monthly electric bill, installing a wind turbine is actually an excellent idea. To save the most money possible, it's a good idea to build the wind turbine yourself. You can save thousands from by building it yourself instead of buying a commercial wind turbine, an equivalent commercial wind turbine. So the concept of building a turbine might not sound too enticing. It might sound like a lot of work if you're not an avid do-it-yourselfer. At first appearance, building a turbine from scratch may seem to be a difficult task, but in reality, if you build it on your own, it's actually a lot easier than you think. There are a few main principles in generating electricity from wind that you should learn. The first is the amount of wind and the quality of the wind around your home. If there's not a steady breeze available all day long, it might not be a good idea to install a turbine. If the wind is gusty, turbulent, like if you get a lot of storms, or if it's just generally choppy, then you might not want to install a turbine. You should consult wind maps to see whether or not it's a good idea to install the turbine, to see how much power you'll be able to generate. Next, you need to figure out how much power you want to produce on your own and whether there's enough wind to accommodate you. You have to keep in mind that the power being produced is relative to the strength and number of windings in the generator. The more power you need, the heavier the windings will need to be, and thus the stronger the wind's force needs to be. So depending on the winds in your area, you need to consider either building your alternator, your generator, differently, or buying a different generator. It's usually recommended to buy a pre-made generator. It'll be a lot more efficient in producing power. Finally, you need to take into account the design of the blades. When you build a wind turbine, it is the blades which take the force of the wind and convert it into a rotational force that will spin the generator. The larger the surface of the blades, the more wind they can capture, and the slower the wind speed needs to be to start the blades turning. Furthermore, the actual shape of the blade is crucial as well. You cannot simply place a blade from an electric fan on a wind turbine and expect it to run as efficiently as blades designed to collect wind. Remember that if you want to build a homemade wind turbine, it's possible, just as long as you take the time to do your research, learn a little bit more about the fundamentals of wind turbine design and construction. And this was just a little quick informational video for you, but if you want complete info on how to build a wind turbine, including blueprints, schematics, parts lists, everything you'll need to do it inexpensively, you can type in the web address in this video in your browser and click the link in the description to go to this website, and hope you enjoy.